If I were to share one of my kitchen staples, this set would absolutely make the list. I've been using the stainless steel mixing bowl set for everything from baking and meal prep to tossing salads and washing produce. It comes with 5 bowls in different sizes, plus a matching 3-quart colander, so there's always a size that works for the job. One thing I really appreciate is that these bowls feel sturdy. They're made from thicker stainless steel, so they don't flex or feel flimsy when you're mixing heavier batters or kneading dough. The rolled rim also makes them comfortable to hold and easy to pour from. Another feature I love is the nesting design. All the bowls and the colander stack neatly inside each other, which saves a ton of cabinet space and keeps everything organized. The brushed finish looks clean and modern, resists fingerprints, and the bowls stay put nicely on the countertop while you're mixing. And when you're done, they're dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup quick and easy. So if you're looking for durable mixing bowls that don't take up much space, this set is definitely worth considering.